Okay, this is a video to show you how to do these little ceramic bisque eggs. This that they're on right here is called a special egg bar. It has these high fire wire rods that stick into these little holes in, so they can go in the kiln. Now, this goes directly into the kiln and fires it, so you don't have to worry about, putting stilt marks on them or anything like that. It holds the eggs very nicely, so that's what it's made for. I'm going to show you how to take an egg. You don't want to have to put the egg down after you paint it, because it's gonna, if it's wet, it's gonna just, touch everything and wreck your painting. I'm gonna take one of these rods out, and of course I can't do this either because it's gonna spin around. So this is what I do to paint the egg. This is just a little tip that will help you paint it all in one shot without like painting half. Like normally I'd have to paint the top half, let it dry, because where are you gonna hold it? It's hard to hold. So I wrap the little paper towel on this rod that I'm gonna fire. You're gonna put it in, and you're not gonna push it on the post. Push it up into the egg, but you wanna twist it so that it's going in and it's not moving around too much. It's gonna hold it. You don't wanna push it hard enough that it breaks your egg. Now, once your egg is steady on the stick, you're able to paint it. Now you put a coat on. Once I get this painted, I'm gonna be able to put it, this is like one coat now. While it's drying, I can put it right back in there and sit it in there. So I don't have to, lay it down. I don't have to hold it. I don't have to touch the egg. So now once the first coat's dry, I'm gonna put my second coat on there. And once I get my second coat on, I can still, again, I can decorate the egg, do whatever I want with it. I'm just doing this to show you some tips, so I'm not gonna decorate the whole egg, make the video very long. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it here, it's gonna dry. Now once it's dry, it's very hard to dip like this, okay? Because you're taking a chance of the egg falling into your dipping glaze bucket. So I would take the clear glaze, and I'd put it in a little cup, the Dazzle Dip, and I would take a soft fan brush with my clear glaze, and it takes seconds to softly just put one coat of clear glaze on it, and then I'm done. Now I've got this egg painted, okay? Now, of course, the paper towel can't go in the kiln, but now I can just let them sit and dry. When they're dry, I can simply take this off. This ain't dry, so I'm showing you, but if it was dry, I would hold it. I would be able to untwist this, take the paper towel off, put it back on the post, and then put it back in here, and now it's ready to go in the kiln. So that's how I do the eggs, so that I can do it all in one shot, and I don't have to take the egg, paint half, then try to hold this in and paint the other half. And it doesn't have stilt marks. So if you have this with you, it's easy enough to do the eggs and have them put it on something. Just makes it a little bit simpler. That's it. Fire it and you're done.